I want to wish you a happy Valentine's Day. From reading your comments on Facebook and our website, I know that even though a lot of you are going out for dinner tonight, many of you are planning on staying in and making a special dinner at home so you don't have to deal with all that craziness. Just in case you're looking for a last-minute idea that's fast and fancy, we've got just the recipe for you. We start off by adding a splash of lemon juice to some mayonnaise. After that's mixed, we stir in a can of lump crab meat. You want to do this gently so you don't break up the chunks of crab. We set it aside for a sec while we sprinkle a couple of white flesh fish fillets with some salt and pepper. Now we spoon the crab mixture over the top before finishing them with some breadcrumbs that we toss with a bit of melted butter and chopped parsley. While these bake, you can easily get a couple of sides together and dinner is done. Can you imagine what you would spend at a restaurant on a dinner like this? And the best part, there's no waiting for a table or tipping required. To get the recipe for our restaurant fancy, Cupid's fish fillets, simply visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today I want to wish you and yours a Valentine's Day full of, ooh, it's so good.